In figure 2.17, angle MNP, which is equal to 90 degree, given angle MNP is equal to 90 degree. Next, sec NQ is perpendicular to sec MP. Value of MQ is equal to 9, QP is equal to 4. To find NQ. Now, since in right angle triangle MNP, angle N is also 90, angle Q is also 90. When 290 will occur in one diagram, then you will have to compulsory use geometric mean property. So solution: consider in triangle MNP, angle MNP is equal to 90 degree. Sec NQ is perpendicular to sec MP. Therefore, angle Q is also 90 degree. Now apply geometric mean theorem. Therefore, by geometric mean theorem, perpendicular side is NQ square is equal to hypotenuse is divided into 2, that is MQ, and another is QP. Geometric mean property, that is perpendicular side, which is NQ, and hypotenuse is divided into 2 parts, that 2 parts are MQ and QP. Now substitute the value of NQ you will have to find. MQ is equal to 9, QP is equal to 4, NQ square is equal to 9 4s are 36, NQ is equal to square root of 36, NQ is equal to 6. Therefore, NQ is equal to 6 units. P, Q, M, R. Given part in triangle PQR, angle QPR is equal to 90 degree. Next, sec PM is perpendicular to sec QR such that Q dash M dash R, PM is equal to 10, QM is equal to 8. Then to find QR. Solution. Now let us see the diagram. In triangle QPR, angle P is 90, angle M is 90. So again you will apply geometric mean property. So let us consider in triangle QPR, angle QPR is equal to 90 degree, angle M is equal to 90, since sec PM is perpendicular to sec QR. Therefore, by geometric mean theorem, again perpendicular side is PM, so PM square is equal to hypotenuse side is QR, which is divided into 2 parts, that is QM into MR. Now value of PM, which is equal to 10, QM 8, MR we don't know, so we'll find MR. 10 square, which is equal to 100, is equal to 8 into MR. Now multiplication part will get converted into division, which is equal to MR. Now 2 4s are 2 5s are 0s are 2 2s are 2 25s are 25 upon 2, which is equal to MR. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5s are, so MR is equal to 12.5. Now we have to find QR. To find QR, we have to add QM plus MR. QR is equal to QM plus MR. QM is 8 and MR we have found it, that is 12.5. 12.5 plus 8 is equal to 20.5. Now fourth question. See figure 2.19. Find RP and PS using the information given in triangle PSR. PSR. Angle P is 30. Angle S is 90. Angle R we don't show. Now consider given in triangle PSR, angle P is equal to 30 degree, angle S is equal to 90 degree. To find RP and PS, solution in triangle PSR. Given part, angle S is 90, angle P is 30. Now sum of the measure of angle of all, sum of the measures of triangle is equal to 180 degree. Since angle P is 30, angle S is 90, so remaining angle will be 60. Angle R is equal to 60, remaining angle of a triangle. Now we'll apply 30, 60, 90 theorem by 30, 60, 90 theorem. Side opposite to 30. Side opposite to 30 is given SR is equal to 6. Side opposite to 30, side is, first we'll write the formula, side opposite to 30 is equal to half into hypotenuse. Now side opposite to 30 is SR, which is equal to half into hypotenuse part is PR. Now value of SR is given, that is 6 is equal to half into PR. Now division part will get converted into multiplication. 6 2s are 12 is equal to PR. Therefore PR is equal to 12 unit. First part we have find it. Now second, applying next formula, that is side opposite to 60 degree is root 3 upon 2 into hypotenuse. Now side opposite to 60. 60 angle is over here, side opposite to 60 is SP. SP is root 3 upon 2, hypotenuse is PR. SP is equal to root 3 upon 2. Instead of PR, will substitute the value, that is 12. 2 1s are 2 6s are. So SP is equal to 6 root 3 units. That is PS is equal to 6 root 3 units. Information given in the figure, complete the following activity. AB, that is AB is congruent to BC. If angle B is 90, if AB is congruent to BC, so angles will also be congruent. Therefore angle A is 45 and angle B is 45, because sum of the measure of all angles of a triangle is equal to 180. So 90 plus 90, which is equal to 180. Now AB is equal to BC. side opposite to congruent angles नहीं given ना sorry given now angle therefore angle BAC will be 45 degree BAC AB is equal to BC will apply 45 90 theorem that is 1 upon root 2 into hypotenuse is AC 1 upon root 2 AC value which is given that is root 8 that is equal to 1 upon root 2 will split 8 that is 2 into 2 into 2 now from this 2 1 2 will come out root 2 will get cancel out value is equal to AB is equal to BC which is equal to 2 units. A square whose diagonal is 10 centimeter. Square, name it as A, B, C, D. Find the side and perimeter of square whose diagonal. AC is the. Now we know all sides of squares are congruent. So let us consider one side as x, so another side is all three sides is also x. Given part quadrilateral ABCD is a square. To find side, find the side and perimeter. Side means to find AB, BC, CD and AD and perimeter. Perimeter means summation of all four sides that is AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. Solution quadrilateral ABCD is a square where AB is equal to BC, BC is equal to CD, CD is equal to AD that is equal to X. All reason all sides of squares are congruent, equal or congruent. Now AC is the diagonal. Now let us consider one triangle that is in triangle ABC. Angle B is 90 because all angles of a squares are 90. So angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Let us apply Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is AC square, side 1 square is AB square and side 2 square is BC square. AC square value is given which is equal to 10 square. AB will consider as x, BC is also x. 10 square is 100, x plus x that is 1 plus 1 which is equal to 2. 100 upon 2 is equal to x square. 2 ones are 2, 50s are x square is equal to 50. Taking square root, x is equal to square root of 50. Split 50 into 25 into 2. Square root of 25 is 5. 2. Therefore, value of all side is equal to AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD which is equal to 5 root 2 centimeter and perimeter will be AB plus BC plus CD plus AD that is 5 root 2 plus 5 root 2 plus 5 root 2 plus 5 root 2. Now let us take root 2 as common term. 5 plus 5 plus 5 root 2 will remain as it is. 10 plus 15 20. Answer is 20 root 2. We won't add root 2 terms.